Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Info Roshan and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check the EY Scholarship Program 2025. And friend, if you are selected in this scholarship, then you will get 1 lakh rupees prize money and also you will get the 2 months internships. And friend, if you're not selected, then you will get the participation certificates. So you can see here this type of certificate you will get. This is the sample certificates, and we are going to check the all the details, what types of things you have to do, and what is the eligibility criteria, how you have to apply, and friend and other things. So please watch the video complete here. So friend, you can see here we are at the official page of the EY. And friend, if you don't know about the EY, EY is a multinational organizations and they are listed in the Fortune 500 company also. And you can see they provide the various services related to the assurance, tax, consulting, strategy and transactions. And they are having a 200,000 plus clients, 150 plus countries you can see, and more than you can see 4 lakh people are employed in this organization. And let's talk about the program. So you can see EY scholarship program recognize and rewards students with exemplary entrepreneurial spirit through a business case competition. You can see here. So friend, basically in this program you have to submit a business case on a particular topic, and if your business case is selected, then you will get the prize money and the internships. So you can see here the detail about the program is given. The program is open to all students pursuing graduation courses across colleges in India. So whether you are in the first year, second year, third year, or fourth year, you can definitely apply for this program. And this program involves the submission of business case, and you can see the topic name, building a better working world. So please make a note of that. The topic for the business case is building a better working world. And you can see the business case can be for a profit or non for profit organizations to create a better working world. And we are going to check in the detail about the instructions, how you have to submit the business case in what form. So you can see here the 4 points are given that your business case should cover the followings like innovation, then clarity of thoughts, then passion to win, and impact on the working world. And you can see they have given that 10 selected winners will be rewarded of INR rupees 1 lakh and internship with EY for 2 months, as well as the opportunity to earn in industry recognized digital credential on future focus skills. So friend, if you don't selected, you can see also here the opportunity is given that there will be 2 hour virtual sessions which will equip you with the right skills and knowledge to enable smoother and successful transition. So you will learn the things like displaying a brand, making your presence felt. Then you can see presenting yourself to an audience, then learning the corporate vocabulary and having a growth mindset. You can see the 2 hour virtual sessions topic is a brand called you. So once you complete this virtual session also, then you will get the participation certificate on successful completion of the above learning module. You can see here. So friend, let's talk about in the detail, and then we will go to check the how you have to participate. So, friend, I will provide the link in the video description box from where you can easily access this website. And you can see here, you can see we are at this page here. So, you can see about this given here. So, as I have discussed earlier, that it is open to all students pursuing graduation courses across colleges in India. And you can see here the process is given. First, a student need to register via website. So how you will register, I will explain you in the middle of the video. Then you have to submit the business case. That is a topic on building a better working world. And then there will be a business case should be submitted in form of a PowerPoint presentation, maximum up to 7 slides. So you have to make a 7 slide in the PPT form. And then there will be screening of by EY panel to select the top 50 finalists, and finalists to present their ideas virtually in front of EY panel, and top 10 EY scholars will be selected in June 2025. So may please make a note of these dates also. So you can see here the other things are given here. You can explore also. Uh, we have discussed how you need to submit, and key dates we can see here. That is the application form is started from the 4th March and it will be closed on 15th April. And then there will be announcements on finalist on May 25 and June 25. The final presentation to the EY panels will be happen. So let's check about how you have to do the registration. So friend, before going to check the registration, if you have not subscribed InfoRosan, please subscribe. We are making the free certification courses, jobs and internship opportunity. So please subscribe InfoRosan. It will motivate us to create a more and more content for you. So once you open the link which I have given in the video description box, then you will come to this page. And once you scroll down, then you at the bottom you will get the two options: the registration and the submission of business case. So first you have to do the registration. So you have to click on that, and once you click, then this form will open. So basically here you have to provide full name, your email ID, your contact number, your date of birth, then gender, city, you can see college, your university course, and in which you are studying. You have to select here. Then you have to provide a percentage and how did you hear about this program. You have to select here and then you have to submit. And once you done the registration, then again you have to go to the submission of business case, and you can see here. Once you click, then new link will open here. Please wait for that. It is a loading. So you can see here, you have to fill this. So first you have to click on this. Have you registered for the program? You have to select the yes, and then you have to click on this submit. Then this form will open. So you can see the format is given, that is PowerPoint presentation is not more than 7 slides and file size should not exceed 5 MB. In case of any additional queries, then you can write an email to ey.scholarship and @in.ey.com. Then you have to provide your full name, contact number, email ID, again college, then course. You can see your year in which you are studying. Then you have to upload your PPT here, and you have to do the final submission. Once you does all these things, then further updates you will get through the email or either call. And friend, also you will get the certificates. So please participate in this program. It is absolutely free, and there is also chances that you can win 1 lakh rupees money. So please take advantage of that. And friend, please subscribe in Forosan. Thank you. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Info Roshan, and I hope you are doing well.